This video will run through the dip switch settings for the Impro OSDP Reader module. Like all cluster modules, the OSDP Reader module is available as a separate plastic module or on a mounting plate for installation in a steel cabinet. It has two independent reader ports. Each has its own set of 6 switches. The dip switches are only read when the module powers up. If you make any changes to the dip settings, you must cycle the power to register the new settings. You can cycle the power of the whole cluster by unplugging and then plugging in the power terminal on the cluster control module, this one here. Here are the Wigan reader settings available on this module. When wiring Wigan readers, follow the labeling next to the terminals and the instructions for the reader. Wigan cables may not exceed 150 meters in length. Use these terminals when wiring OSDP readers. Switch 5 must be on when using an OSDP reader, and you'll need to pair the OSDP reader to the module. First, set the OSDP reader to pairing mode. See the reader's guide on how to do this. While the reader is in pairing mode, toggle the number 1 switch. Turn it on and back off. The OSDP reader will pair with the module. Reader module port red LEDs flash once or twice per second before pairing. After pairing, the red and green LEDs will flash very rapidly from then onward. The module can be configured for 3 of 9 barcode scanning, with or without checksum. Call technical support if you need wiring details. 4-button remote wireless control can be had by installing a quad receiver. Each OSDP reader module can cater for 2 channels. 1 channel per reader port. Here is how you wire the quad receiver to the module's reader port. You can wire 1 quad receiver to up to 4 reader ports and then set their dip switches for the 4 different buttons. That concludes this video.